Say what you're about to do.
I'm about to eat chile. I want to give it to her.
Oh, she wants to give it to you.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
2, 3, go! Go!
Oh, you would have been over with now.
Go!
Come
go,
on,
go,
just
go,
eat it.
go.
so
Just eat it fast.
2.
You see, it's not hot.
Kind of spicy.
You want another? Do you want another one?
Mom, there's a Play-Doh in here.
No, don't touch it.
Do you want another one? You done? Good job.